CNES has been supporting France's strategic independence and the defense of its interests in space for more than 60 years. That is our mission, and our support to the Ministry of Armed Forces covers 5 domains. Conducting military and dual-use space programs with the French Defense Procurement Agency DGA and French Armed Forces High Command. CNES is involved in various forms in all of France's military space programs. The agency routinely oversees the space segments of optical military observation programs. The Pleiades and CSO satellites supply imagery to inform our government's decision and our military operations. Today, CNES is working with DGA and industry on the IRIS program, set to replace CSO from 2030 onwards. CNES also provides technical expertise to DGA for other satellite programs, like for example the Ceres Signals Intelligence satellites and the Syracuse 4 and Athena Feeders telecommunications satellites. Surveying space with Space Command. Working alongside the armed forces, we survey the skies with radars and telescopes to assess collision risk for our satellites, track objects of interest with optical sensors, monitor high-risk re-entries, and predict the trajectories of spacecraft and debris. Conducting space operations. The Guyana Space Center in Kourou, in French territory, gives us independent access to space while safeguarding our nation's military secrecy. From our field center in Toulouse, we are controlling military and dual-use satellites in low Earth orbit with Space Command. We conduct collision avoidance maneuvers, provide through-life sustainment support for satellites, and upload mission work plans. We also guarantee military users the quality of images collected by the CSO and the Pleiades satellites. Preparing future military space capabilities. With our sights set firmly on the future, we are pursuing research and development work on dual-use technologies. In our dual capacity as space agency and technical field center, we are uniquely positioned at the crossroads between users, industry, and research laboratories to respond effectively to future military requirements and consolidate France's space industry. These efforts gave birth to the CNES technology demonstrator, in orbit since 2023. Built by a space startup, with the CNES's support, this nanosatellite detects and locates interfering signals. The mission success has led the agency to initiate CNES Plus and extend the demonstration with 2 identical recurring nanosatellites. Other projects tapping into CNES's expertise include CO3D, co-developed and co-funded with industry to provide a very precise sovereign digital surface model for our armed forces. Yoda, set to demonstrate a surveillance and maneuverability capability in geostationary orbit. And Balman, a maneuvering strategic balloon capable of staying aloft at a very high altitude over zones of interest for several weeks, supporting the ramp-up in Toulouse of military space capabilities. To conduct the military space operations set out in our space defense strategy in 2019, geographic and functional synergies between our armed forces and CNES have been strengthened. To achieve this goal, Space Command has been located at CNES's field center in Toulouse. It is thus gaining maximum traction from this virtuous collaboration with CNES, leveraging the agency's renowned space operations expertise and resources. Since late 2019, CNES has been actively involved in supporting the ramp-up of our military space capabilities. Military satellite operators have been trained by the agency and are today operational across a range of specialist areas. Space is boundless, and so is our ambition serving the defense community.